Hello. I'm going to put the least amount of effort into this. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you may notice that I have uploaded fuck all. It's because I'm very ill at the moment, but hopefully I'll sort that out this week. I've broken into Adam's, my next door neighbour's flat. Adam, if you're watching this, I'm very sorry, but my place looks like, well, you know what my place looks like, and there's no room to do this challenge. Plus the estate agent's left the light on, so I've come in here to save you a bit of electricity. I'll owe you some Nando's. So anyway, we're doing the tiny whoop one hand challenge, or as Curry Kitten calls it, the hand job, the LDO hand job. So my plan is, because I don't think Tony's going to have done it, I am going to do what I do with most of my problems in life, and it's trying to engineer the fuck out of it and try and find a solution that way. Because, you know, if I can fix something, it's more than I can do with my broken ass life, I know that. So, Andy RC complains about being mode 1, but he's also left-handed like me. So, I'm going to modify my transmitter. So I'm going to try and fly it. The idea of it is you've got to try and fly a whoop into your hand one-handed. So yeah, I'm going to try and do it in my mouth one-handed. So I think that will do. Alright. Wish me luck. Alright, did you stop? Mm-hmm. This is impossible. Maybe I should have done the other hand. Oh shit. Yes! I done it! Fuck you, Tony! That's it, that's my attempt. Does that count? I don't know. Maybe I should have done, I'll have one more go and that's it. Minimal effort. Okay, that answers that one. That'll do. Thanks, Brad.